So, 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 a thing happened. A thing happened. A thing happened. A thing happened. I retired from the corporate world back in November. I haven't really broadly announced it, especially not on social media. It's been a few months now, and even though I miss the people that I worked with, I'm really enjoying the freedom of being able to do whatever I want to, whenever I want to do it. My team at work gave me a really nice send-off. There was wine and flowers and presentations full of well wishes, and of course the corporate clock. The clock is actually pretty nice. It's a Frank Lloyd Wright styled Bulova clock, quartz clock. I received a lot of cards from friends and family. Thank you all. And my daughter and son-in-law gave me a cameo video from Brent Spiner, who you might know as Data on Star Trek.
Blue skies smiling at me, nothing but blue skies. Do I see... Emily? Hey, Emily, how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, no, shh, don't answer me. I can't hear you. I can't see you either, but hopefully you can see and hear me.
I can.
I am Brent Spiner. I, of course, played Data on Star Trek The Next Generation. I know, I don't look much like Data now with this white hair, but I'll tell you something, Emily. Honestly, if I was to color my hair right now, I think you'd see I have not changed a day since 1987 when we first started doing the show. Yeah, it's crazy. It's kind of a miracle, you know, that, well, I'm not going to fight it. Anyway, Emily, I understand that you're retiring. Fantastic. That's a fantastic thing. You've worked long enough and hard enough. It's time to take it easy, do some things you want to do, enjoy yourself.
Brent continued to give me retirement advice based on his mother's retirement experience since he's still working. Getting this cameo video from Brent was such a surprise, and it was so fun. Since I retired, I've just been enjoying daily walks when the weather allows for it. I've been spending time with my grandkids, friends, and family. I'm working through my book and movie list. I'm looking ahead to some travel, and I'll be able to also fully commit to the van build now. Yay! So, the secret is finally out now. I'd like to give a shout out to my old teammates and the teams that I worked with. I really miss you all. Today's video wardrobe was sponsored by Marie Green and Darcy Bauer. Thank you both. You two ladies really know how to live life.